Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed in and have the gift card code visible. Open Flipkart's wallet and payments area and choose Flipkart gift card. Enter the alphanumeric code exactly as printed and tap Redeem. This moves funds into your Flipkart wallet. Do this now so you have a usable balance for checkout. Once redeemed, the system updates your wallet balance immediately. Make sure to note any expiry or terms so the amount remains valid for your purchase. With funds in wallet, add products and go to checkout. On the payment screen, choose to use your Flipkart wallet balance. The system shows available gift card funds first. You can apply full or partial balance and then choose another payment method for any remainder, such as card, UPI, or EMI. If Flipkart requests a PIN or OTP for verification, enter it. This secures the transaction. Once applied, confirm the final payable amount so you avoid surprises and proceed to place the order. Before placing the order, review the items, shipping address, and the applied wallet deduction to confirm accuracy. Complete payment and wait for the order confirmation via email or SMS. Refunds for cancellations typically return to your Flipkart wallet. If the gift card doesn't apply, make sure you entered the code correctly, the card hasn't expired, and it's been redeemed to the same Flipkart account. If problems persist, clear app cache, try web checkout, and contact Flipkart support with the gift card details for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.